Thank you for checking out the Hackensack University Medical Center's Robotics Symposium that we put on for our fellows and residents throughout the country. This has been a great opportunity for folks to learn about this new technology, as well as to get some hands-on training.
This event is mainly about immersion. It is instilled with live surgeries, panel discussions. You have some of the foremost experts in this new single port approach that are in the same place, and we have a hands-on component that's very unique. So the trainees get to learn the knowledge and then apply those knowledge on realistic models where they are able to understand how this can benefit them, or also understand the tips and tricks that are required.
Being able to view the live surgeries and see these techniques in action and go through the problem solving with the surgeon as sort of a fly on the wall, I think it's a really valuable experience.
Single port robot maybe isn't a completely different beast, but there's a lot of different considerations, especially how they set up things, how they dock things, and how they approach the surgery.
The gel models, they are fantastic. Incorporating that as a part of the symposium today really made it really exciting and really very beneficial.
This single port robotic surgery is the revolutionary, the newest of the newest in minimal invasive surgery. We've been doing minimal invasive surgery for the last 20 years, but these still requires multi-ports, and this single port allows us to do minimal surgery that we've been doing even more minimal way.
Residents and fellows are really the next generation of our surgeons. It has become instrumental now to teach them even better because technology has become an integral component of surgery. So before, when we had 6, 7 types of surgeries and one approach, now there are over 100 surgeries and multiple different approaches. So we are consistently required to not only teach them, but re-educate them on new technology that's being introduced.
You don't have a lot of opportunities where you can see this many surgeons truly explain step by step and going through and then have a discussion with other surgeons.
If you're interested in pursuing robotics and performing operations with minimally invasive surgery, I would definitely recommend coming to the symposium.
Look out for a flyer on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, or through your program director, and sign on up. See you next year.